we'll guide you through how to create a design on Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the dashboard where you can manage your projects. To create a new design, you need to click on the New Project button, usually located at the top right corner. A window will pop up showing you various options for importing your project. You can either import a repository from GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, or you can start with a template. If you're importing from a repository, make sure you have linked your Vercel account with your Git provider. Choose the repository you want to use and click on Import. If you prefer using a template, Vercel offers a variety of templates for different frameworks, like Next.js, React, and Vue.js. Simply select the one that suits your project needs. After selecting your project source, you'll be prompted to configure your project settings. This includes setting up the project name, choosing the team it's associated with, and specifying any environment variables. Make sure to review these settings carefully before proceeding. Once your project is configured, click on Deploy. Vercel will then build and deploy your project, which might take a few minutes depending on the size and complexity of your code. You can monitor the deployment process through the terminal output provided on the screen. Once the deployment is complete, Vercel will provide you with a live link to your newly created design. You can share this link with others or use it for further testing and development. Remember, Vercel offers powerful features like custom domains, analytics, and serverless functions, so explore these options to enhance your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.